The digital twin module is one of the distinctive functional components of the HedraCAM software. Based on digital twin models, it real-timely simulates the behaviors and performances of industrial robot production lines in physical environments. It enables bidirectional interaction between physical entities and virtual models. Equipped with multiple CAE analysis capabilities including 3D visual rendering, collision detection, coordinated control via signal interaction, robot kinematics analysis, and discrete event processing. This module covers the full life cycle ranging from offline modeling and simulation verification to online monitoring and fault prediction.